Hey guys, welcome back to Doggy Duo. I'm Addie.
And I'm Ava. Today we will be recreating the Yawning is Contagious from my channel.
Make sure to go check it out before you see this one if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe.
Make sure to go to RTA after this one. Let's get to it. Good job, you got this. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fun videos like this. Bye.
Bye.
Not again. Bye guys.
Bye.